What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Roy's Customs. Today I did do a little bit of body work on the Mark IV Golf, and I got a few little tips for you, so let's get into it. Alright, as you can see, I did knock the body filler down. I went ahead and I went all around and did all the spots that I had filled last night. Also, I did pull those two dents a little bit on the other side, and I'll still have to fill those because I had to take my angle grinder and I had to get rid of the weld. I will take this back into the garage, and the only way to actually get your panel nice and smooth and straight is by using a sanding block. I'm just using the 3M, the little hard rubber sanding block, but you know, you're never ever, no matter how hard you wish or how hard you try, you're never going to get it even without using a sanding block. But it's okay to like knock it down a little bit and knock off the crusties and all that stuff to get it ready for sanding block. But other than that, it's just not going to happen. So I'm hoping that I can get this thing completely done and at least primered next weekend. So hopefully we'll get that far. With any luck, and if the weather's good, then I might be able to get it in paint. Got it blocked. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to hit it with my filler primer. I'm probably going to go ahead and do 2 coats, so I'm going to get into that. Okay, so the first coat is on. I'm going to let it dry for a while, and then I'm going to hit it up with another coat. Okay, so I got the second coat of primer on the bodywork stuff over here on the door, the rocker. Anyways, I got that taken care of. I got my second coat on. So anyways, I will block it, and of course I'll have to block the entire car actually. So the thing is I do have like a gallon of primer that I'm going to shoot the entire car with. It's some high build primer. It's basically filler primer. So anyways, once I get that done, then I will block the entire car again to make sure. But I wanted to get a couple of layers on any of the spots that had body work done or had work done, and especially any place that did go all the way down to metal, especially on the hood where there was rust spots that I had to really sand down deep in order to get all of the rust out. Sometimes, unfortunately, it pits so bad that you really can't get it without maybe like grinding it a little bit with a grinder. But I got lucky, and it turned out pretty good just by sanding. So anyways, I want to show you a few more things that I've actually been working on. I don't have much light back here, but I do want to show it to you. I have been working on this rear bumper, trying to get some of the bad spots. Obviously it's been hit, or it's been, somebody might have pushed it with another vehicle or something. So anyways, there's some spots that they'll need to be sanded down and they'll need to be primered and stuff. But anyways, I did get the first coat on this, and I've got 2 coats on that, and I think it'll turn out really well. I'm just gonna have to hit it up with the random orbital and rough it up, you know, and then I'll block that. So anyways, the hood, I did the hood last week. I got all these spots. Like I say, I'll still have to sand the rest of the hood down, you know, get the clear coat off and stuff. And so anyways, this door looks 1,000 times better than it did. Also, I got this part where I'll be blocking it. I think it's good. I may or may not have to do one more skim layer on that. But as far as the hood goes, it's pretty basic stuff that's going on up here. Let me find one. Like right in here, there's a little spot. As you can see it, and what happens is if you take these bar lights and you use those as a guide, you can see it distort the track light or whatever, the bar light. You can see the little dent distort the light reflection. So, and you'll have that all over. So anyways, any spots, but those aren't that bad, and those should come out with a pretty good coat, a couple of coats maybe, of some of the high build primer. So those shouldn't be a big deal, so I'm not going to worry about like filling those in or anything. But I did get this spot, but it's going to need a little bit more sanding, and then because there's a few little pinholes that need to be taken care of. There, you can see them. There'll be pinholes that need to be taken care of. So anyways, and that's looking pimptastic. So once I get all this stuff done, I will be working on it throughout the week, and so I should have it finished up by next weekend, and hopefully, weather permitting, I'll be able to at least get it in primer. I am hoping that it'll be good enough next weekend, nice enough weather next weekend, that I can even get it painted and clear coated. We're going to try. Hopefully it'll be that far along. But if anything, at least I can get it in primer. I still need to take the door panels off and try to get the door handles off, get the other fender off, stuff like that, before I actually go, and the tail lights out, obviously. But anyways, that is going to be it for this video. I hope you got something from all this. If you're new to bodywork or whatever, this should help you out a little bit. And always know that you're not going to get a nice smooth surface unless you block it. Some people think that they can just hit it with a DA or whatever and it's all good. Now, if you're just doing some chop job, that's fine. Do what you wish. But if you want a good quality bodywork done, and you want it nice and smooth and looks like it should, then you know you're going to want to block it real nice. So, and you may end up having to block it 3-4 times before it's all said and done, which is what I'm going to end up doing. So anyways, I sure appreciate you guys and gals watching. If you're new to the channel, feel free to like and subscribe and hit the notifications if you wish, and have a spectacular day or night, whichever one it is for you. Peace out.